Ever pondered the significance of your eyelashes in enhancing your overall beauty? These delicate fringes do more than just flutter. They act as a stunning frame, accentuating the windows to your soul, your eyes. A well-kept set of lashes can uplift your face, adding a subtle touch of allure. It's not just about aesthetics, though. Healthy lashes can boost your confidence, giving you that extra sparkle. So never underestimate the power of well-groomed eyelashes. Indeed, eyelashes are a small yet powerful element of our beauty. Now you must be wondering, how do you care for these tiny strands of beauty? Well, it all begins with a clean slate. Every day, our eyelashes are exposed to dust, dirt, and countless cosmetics, all of which can cause damage over time. So, it's essential to clean your eyelashes daily. You can use a gentle makeup remover or a mild cleanser to do the trick. Remember, the goal is to cleanse, not to scrub, so be gentle with your lashes. Next, let's talk about hydration. Just like our skin, our eyelashes need to be hydrated too. Oils such as castor oil or almond oil work wonders here. These oils are rich in fatty acids that nourish and hydrate the eyelashes, promoting growth and health. A small drop applied with a clean mascara wand can make a significant difference. But what about achieving that full, fluttery look? Enter the eyelash curler. This tool may look a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's a game changer. It helps to lift your lashes, giving them a fuller, more voluminous look. Just ensure to use it before applying mascara to avoid any lash damage. Now, we've discussed external care, but what about internal care? Yes, you heard it right. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyelashes. Foods rich in proteins, vitamins A, C, and E, and omega fatty acids are your eyelashes' best friends. Incorporating these into your diet can help strengthen your lashes from within, promoting growth and reducing lash fall. And let's not forget about giving our lashes some break time. It's important to let them breathe once in a while, free from mascara or false lashes. This helps to prevent any potential damage and keeps them healthy. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to care for your eyelashes. So remember to cleanse, hydrate, curl, eat well, and rest. Because after all, your eyelashes are not just about enhancing your beauty, they're also about protecting your eyes. And they deserve the best care possible. Let's quickly go over what we've learned today. Eyelashes play a crucial role in enhancing our beauty, acting as the crowning glory of our eyes. Caring for them is a four-step process: thorough cleaning, regular hydration, gentle curling, and maintaining a balanced diet. Each step is key to ensuring that our lashes stay healthy and attractive. And remember, your eyelashes are a reflection of your health and beauty routine. Take care of them, and they'll be sure to enhance your beauty.